Ten jopuonje mag sikunde sekondar ma Dundo JSS biro bago ng'anyo wuok tich juma manyien ka gisundo duol mandiko jopuonje tich TSC mondo okete tim ng'eto mar doho mar ndiko gie tich e yo ma ongirore kaluwore kod jotelogo. Kata obedo ni gisebedo ka ging'anyo e counties mopogore opogore, TSC podi odagi chopo singo mane sirikal omiyogi mar ndiko gie tich e yo ma ongirore. Gidwaro ni sirikal kod TSC mondo onon wachno mapiyo kendo ndike tich e yo ma ongirore jopuonje 46,000 matiyo e county ni. Jotelogo ochiwo siem ne jopuonj JSS mondo kik puonj nyaka chop dwarogi.
The government, the national government, the Teacher Service Commission and the Ministry of Education, we want to inform them that come Monday 13th, JSS teachers are not going to report to school because the internship program was rendered illegal, null and void. So henceforward, the Commission has been given timelines from today until 1st of August to call the teachers and renegotiate in line with the court judgment. So we want to call all teachers in the Republic of Kenya to come, to report to any institution because teachers are law-abiding citizens and they cannot be involved in an illegality.
However much they have appealed, we are aware that their appeal has no merit and it has no basis of appeal. So we are calling upon teachers and parents to gather together and challenge this unconstitutionality and all matters relating to disobeying of court orders. Also, we insist that parents should be aware that their children will be in school without teachers, and anything that may happen to them is a